Hey everyone, chair at Plonk. Have a walk in the refrigerator right here. As you can see. We have not one, but two Buffalo Trident evaporators. As you can see. This is Buffalo Trident, as you can see. Drainage pump right there. So this one has two fans on it, and the other one has three, so that makes about four, I guess. There's the coil at the back, as you can see. Let's have a look at this one. So these two fans aren't working, but this one is. Pretty interesting. This is Buffalo Trident right there, as you can see. I'll zoom into it. And of course, there's the coil at the back. And there's the drainage pipe right there. So that's about it, really. And I hope you've enjoyed. See you guys next episode. Bye.